What are the other factors which influence the solubility of solution?
The other important factor? Oh, it is temperature.
Then, can you explain it for me?
Yeah, sure, friend. Friends, take 2 clean test tubes. These test tubes were placed in stand like this. Now add distilled water to half of each test tube. Friends, take 1 test tube. Now with a spatula, add sugar to it. And shake well. A clear solution is formed, right? Now hold the test tube with a holder. And heat it on Bunsen flame like this. Observe friends, some more clear solution is formed, isn't it? Take another test tube. With a spatula, add salt to it. And shake it well. We got a clear solution, right? Heat this mixture on the Bunsen flame. And allow the test tube to cool for some time. Friends, observe it clearly. Salts get separating from the water. Do you know the reason? It is because of temperature effect. With increasing the temperature, the solubility of the solute increases. This mainly depends on the standard values.
The components of the solution, solute and solvent, are also influenced by the temperature factor.